In this session, we learn about various calculations options available to us in an Excel sheet. And before we move ahead, let's just understand what do different calculations options mean in Excel. Now, if you go underneath this calculation tab over here, which lies right underneath the formulas tab over here, and click on this calculator button, and it will present you with three options. It will tell you that the default option that my calculations are automatic. The second option is that my calculations should be automatic except for data tables, and the other is that I want manual calculations to be taking place. Now this is a trivial option, and the major understanding lies between discussing what is an automatic calculation and what is a manual calculation. Now, whenever you enter up a formula in Excel, Excel understands that you want to do something with the values that are in the cells itself, and goes ahead and at the back end produces up a value which is eventually displayed. It is just like for all of these cells over here. We wanted to add up the values of all of these four cells, and when we press enter to it, you can see that a value has been generated out of the contents of these cells, and it is indicating the sum of all of them. But what if now we want to proceed ahead and want to add 1000 to this value? Now the straightaway procedure would be that I go ahead and add up these two values. Now by this point, Excel understands that you simply want to add up the numbers in these two cells, and pressing enter would generate this number. But by this time, Excel has already done the calculations at the back end, and pressing enter would simply pop up the result. But what if we change the whole calculations options to manual now, and change this number to say 10,000 now? Now my new result should be of the order of 66461 if my calculations were automatic. But you will see nothing really happens to this number. Now, although this number was supposed to reflect the addition of this number to this number, right now it is not really showing me up any result. The reason is that we have changed the calculations options to manual now. Now the onus of calculating the results of a new formula lies on us. And if I want to have a proper addition between this number and this number, I would have to go on to this calculate now button over here, click it, and there you see. Now the two numbers have been properly added and we have the result. Now I want the users to be very cautious about choosing this manual option over here, because a whole lot of Excel sheets can be messed up if you don't select this properly. You can add up a whole lot of numbers, you can put in a whole lot of formulas in your Excel, but if you have your calculations options to be set as manual, no change would be reflected until and unless you don't press on to this calculate now button over here. Now as a direct remedy to this would be that we select on to the automatic button over here and let the Excel do its calculations at the back end. But there is another option available to us over here, which is the automatic except for data tables. It is pretty much that the calculations would be automatic, but whenever you have created up a table out of Excel sheet, that you have gone on to insert tab and create up a table and done all the formatting, in that case the whole calculations would be automatic except for all the formulas that are lying inside the table itself. So my advice would be to skip on to these options until and unless you're a very advanced user and get these options to be default as automatic itself. And we already know what the calculate now button does. The calculate sheet button also is pretty much like the calculate now button only, but the calculate sheet button is applicable only to the current sheet itself, and it won't do the updation of the values across the workbook. So this is all about the calculation options available to us in Excel sheet. Thank you for watching.